Hey everybody, I'm back with another project on the 2002 Ford Ranger Edge. Today it is this leather steering wheel wrap that gets stitched on, and I actually bought this several months ago, but this is the first time actually getting to it. It's from Mr. Steering, and it's out of obviously United Kingdom. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the description. And this is not going to be a how-to because there are already how-to videos online. This is just going to be kind of showing the product and showing what it looks like. And as you can see, it's going to be a big improvement because this factory steering wheel is worn pretty smooth. And this is genuine leather, and it's real soft. It's real nice, and it smells great. So it does have a seam which goes down at the bottom right there. So I'm going to go ahead, I've watched their videos, and I'm going to go ahead and thread the needle and start to do this. So stay tuned for my progress. Okay, I'm a couple minutes into this and I think I have the hang of it. Basically you have to put a knot underneath where you can't see it, pull it through, and then according to the video, you run a stitch, you leave 2 spaces in between, and 2 and 2 and 2, same on the back, and you can pull it tight. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it. It seems to be working, so I'm going to continue and do this whole bottom. Okay, here's a little progress video. I don't really like doing this. I'm going to have to work on it. I've got the whole bottom half of the wheel done. I've got to do the top half. And I've definitely got to work on these closures right here, these ends. It's nice and tight. It just doesn't look great. So I'll have to clean that up. Needless to say, I don't think Bentley will be hiring me anytime soon to stitch their interiors, but I'll keep going. All right, I'm done. It is nowhere near perfect, but it's as good as it's gonna get. These top sections here ended up being the hardest part. Everything else is okay. It's nice and tight, it's not loose at all, but yeah, I'm gonna have to work on this a little bit more and that a little bit more. But for right now, I'm gonna call it done. Feels nice. It's a real quality product. There's nothing wrong with the product at all. It's just my lack of seamstress skills. What can I say? Anyway, that'll do it for one quick project. This took about 45 minutes in real time. And it's definitely better than that thing that was on here. So I just need to keep telling myself this is, you know, a $2,900 truck, so, or at least it was when I bought it. Now of course I've got more into that, but that's a whole nother story. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.